Hi! Welcome back! Jigs here. For today's video, andito nga pala kami ngayon sa Gdańsk, Poland. For today's video, lakad portion lang tayo kasi malapit lang. Walking distance lang ito from ship's terminal going dito sa may monument. And etong lugar na ito ay very historical kasi part siya ng World War II. Makikita dito sa mga articles na to yung pagiging heroic ng mga Polish people during World War II, kung paano nila tinulungan yung British para matalo yung Germany.
The attack to the 2nd of September.
Ah, okay.
So 85 years ago, there's a lot of flowers, so I just laid all the flowers down.
So
there.
that monument, sir?
It's the monument to remember the dead and to remember who died, because this was not part of Poland at that time. It was its own little place.
Because I guess the Polish people helped the British during the World War II
when Hitler invaded Germany.
to beat the Germans.
Poland, France and Britain declared war on Germany. And the day war was declared, my dad volunteered, and he was in the
Your
Royal,
dad volunteered?
Yeah, he was volunteered. He was in the Royal Navy for 6 years.
Oh, okay.
So all over the world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, have a nice day, Sir Barry. See you later. Yung gentleman na kausap ko kanina, guest namin yan sa barko. Sabi niya, yung father niya daw nag-volunteer during World War II, tapos na destino nga daw dito sa may Gdańsk, Poland. Malaki din daw talaga ang naitulong ng mga Polish people during World War II para matalo yung Germans. And etong monument sa taas, yan yung tinatawag na Monument to the Defenders of the Coast. Marami ding mga locals and tourists ang pumupunta rito para mag-picture taking sa taas. Ito na yung tinatawag nilang the Western Plate Monument, or also known as the Monument to the Defenders of the Coast. And after ko dito, maghahanap na rin ako ng mabibiling souvenirs.
Rody się tak nazywają? Tak, tutaj chodzi o...
Sa paglalakad-lakad ko, wala ako masyadong makitang mga bilihan or mga shops. Etong mga ganito lang yung nakita ko, yung mga stalls na ganito. Parang simpleng kapihan, tapos bilihan ng souvenirs, kaya ganyan lang siya.
W bloku u mnie w klatce dwie i obok już urodziła. Chłopaka.
And by the way, yung currency nga pala dito sa Poland or yung pera nila ay tinatawag na Polish zloty. Hindi ako sure kung tama yung pagkakabigkas ko, pero yung kasi yung nabasa ko sa Google kanina. Which currency do you accept? Euros, dollars?
If you have the correctly the price, I can take it. Or you can pay by a card.
You accept card as well? Thank you.
No to nawet nie zapytała się do mnie. Ja przychodziłam, dźwięczy, bo mam metalową, nie? Ja mówię, co ona widać, to na...
Ciebie dźwięczało?
Ja mam metal.
Ja też, ale ja mam...
Do you also accept cards?
Metal i zawsze mi mówili, że będzie, nie?
No, nie zawsze dźwięczy.
Nigdy.
No, ale tu dźwięczało.
Sure.
Zależy jak mają ustawione bramki.
No, u mnie nigdy nie dźwięczało. Patrzcie.
A babci, no? Nie, babcia se sama. Bo dziadek go do przedszkola prowadzi.
Take this one.
Do parkowej tam.
all for you?
Yes.
Imprezy. No teraz dziadek zaproponował, że zabierze.
Ja ci mówiłam,
Chętnie?
ja mam marzenie do domu. No to.
Do you want a copy from car?
Yes, please.
Zrób sobie kartę rodziny, masz? Darmową.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Oh, alright. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Jak mówię, to były koleżanki.
And right after na makabili ako ng souvenir, yung fridge magnet, bumalik na rin ako ng barko kasi maaga din yung alis namin and may duty pa ako. So, thank you for watching. Bye! Thank you.